In front of me is ASUS Zenfone Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Lock Screen. Then click on Screen Lock and tap on the best locking method to apply it: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Select Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Finally, select Confirm. Now you need to answer this question by tapping on one of the available options. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Show all notification content, hide sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!